Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Nancy Meyers interiors. Those warm, inviting, and effortlessly elegant homes we all love from movies like Something's Gotta Give and The Holiday. If you want to bring that cozy yet sophisticated charm into your home, stick around for these easy and practical tips. Choose a soft, neutral color palette. Nancy Meyers homes are known for their warm and inviting color schemes. Stick to soft neutrals like warm whites, creams, beiges, and light blues. These shades create a timeless and relaxed atmosphere. To add depth, incorporate subtle patterns like stripes or florals through throw pillows, rugs, or curtains. Mixing textures like linen, wool, and wood enhances the cozy aesthetic. Invest in comfortable, classic furniture. The furniture in a Nancy Meyers home is both stylish and practical. Think plush, oversized sofas with slipcovers, cozy armchairs, and classic wooden tables. The key is to strike a balance between elegance and comfort. A farmhouse dining table paired with upholstered chairs creates a welcoming gathering space. Add a statement light fixture, like a chandelier or lantern, to complete the look. Create a bright and airy kitchen. The heart of any Nancy Meyers home is the kitchen. To achieve this look, opt for white shaker cabinets, marble or butcher block countertops, and a farmhouse sink. Open shelving with neatly displayed dishes and glass jars filled with pantry essentials add charm and practicality. Pendant lighting over an island, along with bar stools, enhances the cozy yet sophisticated vibe. Small details like a vintage tea kettle, fresh flowers, and wooden cutting boards can make a huge difference. Even a simple bowl of lemons on the counter adds a fresh, lived-in feel. Layer soft and cozy textiles. Textiles play a huge role in making a home feel inviting. Swap heavy fabrics for breathable cottons and linens. Light-colored throw pillows, plush blankets, and sheer curtains bring warmth without feeling too heavy. A vintage-style area rug can anchor a room and add a touch of nostalgia. Slipcovers are another great trick. They not only protect furniture but also create a relaxed, coastal-inspired feel. Plus, they're easy to swap out for a fresh look each season. Decorate with personal, timeless accents. Nancy Meyers interiors never feel overly decorated, they have a collected, lived-in charm. Decorate with books, fresh flowers, and timeless ceramics. A gallery wall featuring framed artwork or personal photos adds character. Soft, warm lighting from table lamps and sconces enhances the inviting ambiance. Mixing old and new is key to achieving that effortless look. Pair vintage pieces with modern decor for a balanced and curated aesthetic. Design a serene and elegant bedroom. A Nancy Meyers style bedroom is cozy, simple, and elegant. Stick to neutral bedding and layer soft materials like linen and cotton for a relaxed feel. Add a mix of traditional and modern nightstands, a comfortable armchair, and soft lighting. A bench at the foot of the bed creates a finished, cozy touch. Layering textures and subtle patterns makes the space feel warm and luxurious. A classic area rug, woven baskets for storage, and fresh flowers bring in natural elements. Incorporate natural elements. Bringing nature indoors is a simple way to enhance warmth and texture. Fresh flowers, greenery, and wooden accents create an organic, welcoming feel. A woven basket filled with blankets, a bowl of citrus fruits in the kitchen, or a vase of hydrangeas in the living room can instantly elevate your space. Using wicker or rattan storage baskets helps keep things organized while adding texture. These are perfect for holding magazines, blankets, or even household essentials. Elevate your bathroom with classic touches. Nancy Meyers style bathrooms are timeless and elegant. Stick to white subway tiles, marble countertops, and simple yet stylish fixtures. A vintage mirror, plush white towels, and soft lighting create a spa-like feel. Even small details, like a decorative soap dish or fresh flowers, can make a big impact. If space allows, a clawfoot tub or freestanding bathtub adds a luxurious touch. Adding candles, bath salts, and a cozy bathrobe completes the serene atmosphere. Create an inviting outdoor space. Nancy Meyers movies often feature dreamy outdoor spaces, from charming patios to cozy garden corners. Recreate this look with classic wicker or wooden furniture and soft cushions. String lights, lanterns, and potted plants create a warm and magical atmosphere. Even if you have a small balcony or patio, adding an outdoor rug, layering blankets, and incorporating greenery can transform the space into a cozy retreat. Bringing it all together by focusing on soft colors, comfortable furniture, and timeless decor, you can create a home that feels straight out of a Nancy Meyers film. The goal is to make your space look polished yet lived in, elegant yet inviting. That's it for today's decorating tips. I hope this video inspires you to bring a little Nancy Meyers magic into your own home. Let me know in the comments which design element you love the most. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.